So how do I use my CUTIS? What I do, I get a little bit puffy in the morning, so I use the depuffing setting, that's setting 1. And what I do is there's a signature move in each protocol. I don't have time to do the whole thing. And I use the S move. I'm just going to show you. So I take 2 fingers and I drain the frontal sinus. I bring it across in front of my preauricular nose. I go all the way underneath my jawline in the submandibular area, draining my lymph nodes in the supraclavicular lymph nodes all the way across. Yeah. And that drains my sinuses and my lymph nodes to depuff me. You'll find me walking around like this. This is a tension relief setting because fundamentally what we're doing is we're using the pain gateway theory. So what happens in the pain gateway theory is, if you think about it, when you cut your finger, mom or someone tells you to put it under cold water or under a cold potato, because the pain sound, that goes away. The nociception pathway is overridden by the thermoregulation, the cold water instead. So it sends a signal to your brain going, we're not in pain anymore, we're feeling the cold water. In the same way, when you've got a headache, when you've got tension around the back of the neck and the trapezius area, or you've got teeth grinding pain, you can use setting 4 and just sit there and relax. And what happens with the pain, it gets overridden by the vibration, the proprioception pathway. So we use the pain gateway theory for this. Quite clever. And then I combine 2 settings. I'm in my 40s, so I'm worried about my jowling and my laxity. So I'm just going to show you 1, 2, 3. Level 3 is lifting and tightening. So with age, you get fat pad migration. And also what you'll notice is the corners of the mouth, you'll get this sad downturning. So I take 1 anchor and I lift it. And this is just part of the protocol, by the way. And then also I take the pre-jowling and I lift it and I hold it there for 20 seconds. But it feels so good as well. So this is repositioning of fat pads, giving you tissue remodeling and muscle memory. Again, the more you use it, the more you actually retrain your face. And then the final setting, which is level 5, is the micro-contouring setting. And I use this before I have an event, a speaking event, or I'm going for dinner, because then I'm going to define my jawline. Ooh. I'm going to contour my cheekbone and I hold to stabilize. I also want that Bella Hadid brow, that lateral brow lift, all the way up. And then I do the lip engorgement, but I've contoured my own lip, but I'll show you to give you lip volumization. And then I do the tightening of the neck as well, the contouring of the neck to give you the perfect bone structure. So you just pop your blusher on and you go.